Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a bit since we've seen each other, but I hope you guys are doing good. I'm sorry if this sounds a little rehearsed. This is my 10th time retaking this intro and my 6th mental breakdown of the day. Anyways, as you can see in the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite products from my favorite brand, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Throughout today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different products from their brand that I absolutely cannot live without, and I'm going to explain a little bit about why I like them and the quality of the product. I'm really excited to share these products with you guys, and if you do like any of the products, I'm going to put a link down below and it will take you directly to their website where you can purchase the product. So for this first product, I need to emphasize that this is my favorite product ever and it's a must have. I highly recommend you getting it, and this product is the Anastasia Dipbrow. They killed this formula. I'm not playing. So it's kind of like a cream in a sense, but when you apply it to the skin, it just works. So I'm actually wearing it right now, but I really need to say that I have a fat scar in the middle of my eyebrow right here. You can see it in the light if I look up. But getting to cover that and like having it look good in a sense where it doesn't look like a big fat scar in the middle of my eyebrow is hard. So that's why it was so hard for me to find a good brow product, because I like my eyebrows filled in. But anyways, if you are looking for a brow product, I highly recommend this one. My next favorite product from Anastasia is the Anastasia Contour Powder Kit. I found this at Ulta the other day and I was like, wait, this is life-changing. This is a game changer. My snatch is gonna be snatched even more. I literally love this powdered contour. It works perfectly with my skin tone. If you do like a kind of lighter, more blended contour, I highly recommend getting this contour kit because it is a game changer, trust me. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This palette, I specifically remember getting this palette for Christmas one year and I just went so crazy over it because the colors in here are just unbelievable. My palette's super messed up because I use it all the time, but as you can see, the color is great. The only negative thing I would have to say about this product is that the fallout can be really bad at times, so I just recommend going in with a light hand. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Pearl. This specific gloss I believe came in a kit when I first got it, but these glosses I'm obsessed with, especially this shade. The gloss itself is very like, girl, like, do I even need to explain that? I love this gloss because it has a glimmery shimmer to it, which kind of makes your lips look a little more full. So that's why I'm obsessed with this gloss. And I don't really have anything negative to say about this product because I love it. It's a 10 out of 10. The last product I'm going to show you guys today is the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. Girl. This highlight has been my go-to since day one. I literally haven't found a better highlight than this one. As you can see, it's just such like a dewy, glowy, golden look, and I just absolutely cannot live without it. I love this product so much because it applies so beautifully, and as I said before, it just has this dewy look to it that just makes your cheekbones just... I have nothing negative to say about this product. It's absolutely amazing. No complaints. Anastasia, you're killing the game. I love all your products. Please give me a comment on IG. So yeah, that's it for today's video, but if you do want to purchase any of these products, I'm going to put the link down below, and let me know if you like them too because they're my favorite. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any feedback, please comment down below, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell if you want to. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful in some sense of what you want to purchase next. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and come back in 2 weeks for my next video. Love you guys.